So in this video, I'd like to show you how to convert 65 miles per hour into meters per second. Okay? Let's start with the 65 miles per hour. 65 miles per hour to me actually means 65 miles divided by 1 hour. Okay? And it's important you write it that way because it makes it a fraction. It makes it a fraction that means something. In 1 hour, my car drives 65 miles. Okay? That's what this means. Or you could say, my car drives 65 miles in 1 hour. Then you're going to need some conversion factors in order to solve this. This is information that would be given. Either you would know it, or you'd have to look it up. 1 mile is equal to 1,609 meters. And I don't expect you to memorize that stuff. Just know where you can find information like this. Since these are equal, we can write 1 mile divided by 1,609 meters, or we could write 1,609 meters divided by 1 mile. Either way, this fraction is going to be 1. And we can multiply 65 miles per hour by 1 without really changing it. We're converting it. We're just changing the units. It still represents the same speed of a car. Okay? Now, based on this unit here, I know which one of these conversion factors I want. Because these miles are going to need to cancel, I'm going to choose this one. Okay? So I'll write 1,609 meters divided by 1 mile. Right there. And all I got to do is multiply across. The problem is, my denominator isn't in the correct units yet. My denominator is hours, and I want seconds. My numerator is meters. The symbol for meters is M. But how do I go from hours to seconds? Well, you'll need to know some other conversion factors. For example, 1 hour is 60 minutes. You should know that. And a minute is 60 seconds. So if I write this as a fraction, I would want to write hour in the numerator. So 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes multiplied by that. And my minutes, I'm going to need to cancel. So, whoops. Let me move this over a little bit. Okay. It was fine. 1 minute, 60 seconds. Now, I know it's correct just by looking at it because my units are consistent. Miles cancels with miles. Hours cancels with hours. Meters doesn't cancel because I want to be... meters is part of my answer. My answer is in meters per second. But minutes cancels right here. Okay. If I move this down, maybe I'll group it all together. There we go. Alright, and I'll move it down. And if you multiply across, 65 times 1,609 gives me some number. I divide by 60. Then I divide by 60 again. You should get something really close to 30 meters divided by 1 second. So you should try that out, check yourself. Make sure you can get 30 meters per second. It's actually 29.1, I think. 30 is a good, reasonable number. That's it. That's how you convert units. Thanks for watching.